Hello everyone, welcome to another video. The Sabrent 10000mAh USB-C PD power bank with Quick Charge 3 is a perfect portable lifesaver, so to speak. Being roughly the same size as a man's wallet and weighing in at only 2.6 ounces or 73.7 grams to be exact, makes this pretty small and lightweight enough to make it, in my opinion, portable. Coming in a gorgeous 3D carbon fiber matte black finish with matte and gloss black edge designs, the hidden display finishes off the design nicely and makes this look very sleek and very professional. Pushing out 18 watts of power from either of its USB 3.0 ports makes it possible to charge my iPhone XR from flat up to fully charged in little over 30 minutes, which is very impressive. The USB Type-C and mini USB in port are quite handy, but I would like to have seen a USB Type-C out port for lightning fast charging capabilities. So, using this for just over 2 weeks now, I can charge my iPhone XR twice from a full charge depending on the ambient room temperatures. Mileage may vary. I did not get to test this on a laptop or notebook or MacBook as I don't actually own one, but I did charge my camera quite quickly, which was quite cool when my battery died when I was out taking pictures of the kids. One area I was disappointed in though was it won't power on LEDs on a USB keyboard or mouse, which is quite handy in my kind of work, but in all other areas for $22.99 at the time of this video, I would personally recommend this product as it is brilliant value for money. So I hope you enjoyed this little look at something different today, as power banks are quite handy and quite hard to find a good one too. So if you liked it, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next one. So until then, bye.